Hello, we have got some Twitter data with OpenAPI and this Twython library in the last video. And our script was this one. So in this video, we're going to wrap up this tool in a class so that we can make it more professional and use it in the other files or share to other users. First, let's define a class called class getting Twitter, maybe, and we need to define the initial function. And here maybe we just save appk and app secret. So the first one going to be dot appk is equal to this value, and the app secret is equal to this one. And okay, we can format this code a little bit. And now let's define another function called gettingData, which we will actually send HTTP request to the OpenAPI and get the data. So here we can say get data. We will just give a keyword in here in this function, and also the total count Twitter we want to retrieve. Actually, you have a lot of options. For example, you can pass the geolocation to this function so that you can retrieve the Twitter post in a certain area. And if you are interested, you can dive into this function and see how it works. Or you can just check the document as well. Here we just simply get some Twitter about a certain topic and the number of the Twitter we want to retrieve. Okay, now let's define this function. We will use these two, make it into belong to this function. Okay, now in this situation, we'll say this is a self dot appk, and the second one is going to be self dot app secret. And here we may have some problem like the network issue, so that we may fail to get the data from the Twitter. So we do have our set try over here, and then we can say except, and we can use Twitter arrow over here, and if we catch such kind of exception over here, maybe we will say just set field to get data from Twitter. Just print this sentence. But if you can print more information if you want. And here this, now we will use the parameters from this function rather than give a fixed value over here, and same to this keyword. Okay, and here we're going to say return. As we saw in the last video, we have status and the Twitter is inside of this status dictionary. So we will return data and say status is copy and paste over here. Now I think that's all we need. I'm gonna delete this stuff. And here we can have a main function in this file so that we can test above class and the method. So here I'm going to say gt is equal to get Twitter, and then we can see maybe Twitter list. Twitter list is equal to gt dot get data. Maybe still we can say data science, and in this situation maybe I want to get 15 tweeters, and then maybe we just print the text inside of the Twitter. As you can see, we have a text key over here, so that we can get the text of the Twitter. So we can say E, maybe say Twitter, just say E in the Twitter list, and then just print the text out. Now let's try to test it. Alright, we got the test of the tweeters. As you can see, here we also got some Korean, maybe some other languages, I don't know. Okay, that's all for wrap the getting Twitter data within class.